If you're someone who struggles to stay focused and motivated and it comes to studying, hello everyone and welcome to this video on how to get addicted to studying. In this video, I will share a few tips and tricks that will help you get addicted to studying. Tip 1. Set a goal. The first step to getting addicted to studying is to set a goal. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve with your studies? Is it getting good grades, passing an exam, or learning a new skill? Whatever your goal is, make sure it's specific, measurable, and achievable. Once you have your goal, break it down into smaller actionable steps that you can take every day. Tip 2. Create a study routine. The second tip is to create a study routine. Make a schedule and stick to it. Decide on a specific time of day when you'll study and set a timer for a specific amount of time. Start small, maybe 30 minutes a day, and gradually increase it over time. By creating a study routine, you'll make it a habit and it'll be easier to stick to. Tip 3. Make it fun. The third tip is to make studying fun. Find a way to make it interesting and engaging. Use different study techniques like flashcards, mind maps, or quizzes. Make it a game and challenge yourself to beat your previous score. You can also study with friends and make it a social activity. Tip 4. Take breaks. The fourth tip is to take breaks. It's important to give your brain a rest and recharge your batteries. Take short breaks every 30 to 45 minutes and do something you enjoy, like going for a walk, playing games, or having a snack. Taking breaks will help you stay focused and avoid burnout. Tip 5. Celebrate your progress. The fifth and final tip is to celebrate your progress. Every time you achieve a milestone, like finishing a chapter or passing a test, reward yourself. Treat yourself to something you enjoy, like your favorite food or activity. Celebrating your progress will give you a sense of accomplishment and motivate you to keep going. So there you have it, 5 tips on how to get addicted to studying. Remember, it's all about setting a goal, creating a study routine, making it fun, taking breaks, and celebrating your progress. By following these tips, you'll be on your way to becoming a study addict in no time. Thank you for watching and happy studying. Like, share, subscribe for more videos.